Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from eXp Realty. Welcome to 3479 West 19th Avenue. This beautiful home is just located the second house from the corner of Collingwood Street and West 19th Avenue. This is a beautiful property in the friendly neighborhood of Dunbar. You will see this beautiful, cute, cozy home on a wide lot. 45 by 125, 6,300 square feet, and it's a 3-level, super charming renovated home. Come on and have a look. A beautiful family home in the friendly neighborhood of Dunbar with a newer kitchen and a very lovely sun deck. The basement has 4 bedrooms and 2 new bathrooms with a new kitchen, ideally for a mortgage helper. This beautiful property you can live in now or use as investment property. When you build a brand new home on this property, you will also have a beautiful roof deck. For builders and investors to hold this property and build a future home, you can definitely consider build a rooftop deck that will have amazing city and water view, and of course the beautiful mountains with 5 bathrooms and 9 bedrooms. It is a rental revenue machine. You can definitely live on the top 2 floor with the master ensuite at the top floor. For more information, please contact me at melissawu.com or text me and call me on my cell phone at 604-783-8272. Thank you!